walking outside, guys. Look at all this stuff. Look at this. Look at all this, guys, today. How do you feel about this, guy? How do you feel about this right here? This is insane, guys. It's the end of a video. It's not the end of our video just yet. God, she's a weed. Guys, it is looking to me. I'm going to take cover. I don't know what's happening. I'll give you big looks of it, because look at that. Look at that, guys. Yo, this is insane. Like, it was possible Wednesday. Oh my god, guys. Right now, this is where I live in this house for good. So I live frequently. Look at this. You see that? You know what that house? Alright, you know what that thing is right there? Because I mean, you told me it's not done. Yeah. It's insane, guys.